This is the hobo way to change LP gas furnace over to natural gas. The main problem with the switchover is that there's too much air and not enough gas. So you can use a bigger jet when you go to natural gas, or you can use less air. So more gas or less air, one of the two. The quick fix is to use less air. So if you notice, this pilot light looks like a little hot cone. I'm just going to cover one of the holes. There's two. There's one here that's kind of hidden by this strip, and there's another one back here. And if I hold it, I get just about the right flame. It's nice and quiet. It's not burning too hot, but it'll keep that thermocouple happy. Likewise, when I turn this up, it has a problem igniting. You can see that. We're working on it. But if I restrict the flow a little bit, it lights right up. So the secret there is you can either use a bigger jet, and that's that little 10mm head thing in there. You can take that off with the gas off and fix it. Or you can restrict the amount of airflow. Now on here, it's just, the airflow is just mixing in right there. So it's kind of hard to restrict the airflow. On some of these, you can cover about 50%, and that'll give you the airflow mixture with the gas. Since this one I can't cover, I could put a bigger jet in or make some other modifications to it, like I did over here with these three little holes, to get the gas to climb up. And then once I get the pilot light correct like that, it'll flip up and it'll ignite this burner. And you see what I did was I took some stiff aluminum rigid duct tape and tore off a strip, wrapped it around here, and then I took a stiff wire, a little copper wire, and I poked the hole out on the back side. So now the air mixture is half, and I'm getting a really nice flame. It's not too tight of a cone, and it doesn't have too much of a red tip to it. It's just a nice blue color, and that's what I'm looking for. So hopefully, there you go. And you might have to mess with this a little bit. Again, you're trying to adjust ratios rather than putting these little 3 holes in here. If you have the type where you have shutters on either side that you can open and close, just try to cut down the air by 50%. If you don't have that, then try to cover it up again with this tape. And this will be a cool area as gas is coming in, so generally won't get hot enough to mess with this tape. So that's something you can do.